Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamun Mojito without soda. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh, ripe jamun, a 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves, and 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and plenty of ice cubes. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare the star ingredient, the jamun. Begin by washing your jamun thoroughly and carefully removing their seeds. Once deseeded, blend the jamun with about a 1/4 cup of water until you achieve a smooth, consistent pulp. For a refined texture, strain this pulp through a fine mesh sieve to eliminate any fibrous remnants. This step ensures a silky smooth mojito. Next, we'll craft the flavorful base for our mojito. In a sturdy glass, combine your fresh mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Gently muddle these ingredients together. The goal is to release the fragrant oils from the mint without tearing the leaves, which can make it bitter. Then, add your smooth jamun pulp to this aromatic mixture. For the final assembly, fill your glass generously with ice cubes. Then, pour in the remaining 1/4 cup of water. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the vibrant flavors are perfectly combined and chilled. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your refreshing jamun mojito with a fresh mint sprig and a thin slice of lime. Serve immediately and enjoy this delightful, soda-free beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.